Welcome to Isfundo 6, where I'm going to teach you how to answer the question, Uya ngaphi? This means, where are you going? Okay, so let me introduce you to some places that you may want to use to answer the question, Uya ngaphi? So, isikolo is a school. If you wanted to say, I'm going to school, you're going to say, ngiya esikolo. Ngiya esikolo, all right? And then idolobo is town, all right? Ngiya edolobheni is how you say I'm going to town, all right? Ngiya edolobheni. Church, isonto. Ngiya esontweni. I'm going to church. Lastly, we have the bar, which we call ibhawa in Ndebele. Okay? So you're going to say, ngiya ebhawa, to mean I'm going to the bar. Is it making sense? Okay, let's practice a bit more. So here is another word for you. Namuhla means today. Are you saying it with me? Namuhla. All right. So now I need you to be able to say, today I'm going to school, to town, to the bar, to church. Okay, you're going to add namuhla there. So, today I'm going to school. Namuhla ngiya esikolo. How about today I'm going to town? Namuhla ngiya edolobheni. All right? I'm going to church today. Namuhla ngiya esontweni. All right? And today I'm going to the bar. Namuhla ngiya ebhawa. All right? I hope it's making sense. Namuhla uya ngaphi? That's how you ask someone, where are you going today? And that's what I'm asking you. Uya ngaphi namuhla? Let me know in the comments. Bye.